For making chicken kofta biryani, we need chicken keema, finely chopped onion, finely chopped coriander leaves, finely chopped green chilies, ginger garlic paste, salt to taste, coriander powder, cumin powder, red chili powder, turmeric powder, and biryani masala. Add 2 tablespoons of oil and 2 bread slices. The bread slices will give a nice binding to our chicken koftas. Now mix everything well with your hands. Allow the chicken mixture to rest for about 30 minutes. Rub little bit of oil in your hands and start making the chicken koftas by taking sufficient amount of chicken mixture. Work on our rice. For that, boil water in a pan and add some garam masala. Please check the description box for the details of the garam masala. Add 1/4 cup of oil and add the soaked basmati rice. Here I have taken 2 cups of basmati rice. Add 1 tablespoon of salt and cook the rice until it is done to 80%. Rest we will cook it in dum. Check the biryani rice. It should be little hard to break. Drain the rice through a strainer. Fry the sliced onion until golden brown to make barista. Once done, take them out in a plate. In the same oil, we will start frying our chicken koftas until they become golden brown in color. Once the koftas are done, take them out in a plate. Heat oil in another pan and add garam masala to it. Let them release its aroma in the oil. Add sliced onion and fry it until they become soft. Add ginger garlic paste and fry it until the raw flavor is gone. At this point, add chopped tomatoes and fry it until they become soft. Add salt to taste, red chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, cumin powder and biryani masala. Now mix everything well. Now add half cup of beaten curd and mix it with the prepared masala. Stir continuously, otherwise the curd will curdle. Add 1 cup of water and let the gravy simmer on low heat for about 2 minutes. Open the lid of the pan and start adding the koftas into it. Let the koftas soak all the goodness from the gravy. Our koftas are looking good now. We will start adding our rice on it. We will now add chopped mint leaves, chopped coriander leaves, barista, saffron soaked in warm milk and kevra water. Cover the lid and seal the pan with the dough so that the beautiful aroma of the biryani doesn't escape. Place an old pan on heat and then add the biryani pot on top of it. Let the biryani cook on dum for 30 minutes. Remove the dough and uncover our biryani. Suddenly your home will be filled with the amazing aroma of our kofta biryani. Take out the kofta biryani in a serving plate. Our chicken kofta biryani is now ready. Serve it with some salad and raita.